Hello everyone! In this short video I show you how you can change the language of the Excel formulas. Because Microsoft Office is using the Mac system language for their applications, you cannot just change the language by going to Tools and Language. This is just going to change the language if you write something within a cell. So to change the language of Excel formulas, you need to open the System Preferences and you need to change the languages within language and region. And here, if you want to change from English to German, for example, then you can add German as a language, and then you just need to specify German as the primary language. And now you already switched the primary language of your Mac. And then normally what you need to do, you just need to restart your computer again. The whole iOS will be in German. Then you also have the language of the formulas in your preferred language. But if you want to stick to your normal iOS language, this is also fine. If you need a specific formula in a specific language, just Google that and you will be fine. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you next time.